Well, hello YouTube. That's gonna be my first unboxing and I guess also review of Xentec HIDs. I got it off of eBay. Got it pretty fast. Didn't open it yet. It's gonna be pretty much two parts for this review. First one gonna be me just unboxing, and the second one gonna be after install it. It's gonna be installed on a motorcycle or on a vehicle. So it's gonna be a 2009 R6S. Let's open. Meantime, let me tell you that I did saw some good and bad reviews. The thing is, like I said, I got it off of eBay for like $35. Obviously worth the money. After I see how it works, there's no problem with it, so I can really tell you how it's working. So that's the box itself. Right here, Xentec. Looks kind of cheap, but again, it was cheap, so no complaint there. It's pretty small. I believe you call it the ball set, something like that. So yes, it is pretty small. There's two of those. This specific model that I got was the 8.7 lamp. That's the size that I need for my motorcycle. Looks like some instructions. Wiring. Second harness, wiring. Some plastics, I don't know yet what they're gonna do with it, and some double-side tape, and some zip ties that I'm probably not gonna use. I guess in this little box I actually got my lamps. One thing that I do know about those kind of lamps is try not to touch it with your hands directly, I mean on the lamp. So yeah, two of them. And this is pretty much what you're gonna get for $35. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and install it. I'm probably gonna make an installation video, and when everything's gonna be done, I'm gonna tell you what is my impression regarding this set. Thank you.